At the gate, you've got the number 85, Chris Hartwick from Pembroke, sponsored by R&R Auto, family and friends. The number 50, coming good in from Cap, sponsored by Cooper Equipment Rental, Cap Crew, and Redneck Truckers. Subscribe and share on YouTube, Redneck Truckers. We got the number 107, Dalton Woodard from Field, sponsored by Smoky's Power Shack and Tanner. We got the number 7, Damon Doth from Cap, sponsored by Half Crew and Service Master. The number 43, Tyler from North Bay, sponsored by Northern Mobile Small Engines. Now, we got one more down in. We got number 27, Will from North Bay, also sponsored by Northern Mobile Small Engines.
Mine wasn't. The fucking shift cable was kind of janky, so you had to like tape together as well and socket fell apart.
We got earplugs and ball caps available at the Gray Top tent. Make your way down, take a look and see what merch we have available for sale. We also have second flags, $5 each. We got the 777X of Justin McGinn from Sudbury, sponsored by his wife's wallet and MVP. Oh, a pink flag. Now, I don't know if the fans and the fans know what that pink flag means. We here at Motorsports, we don't like them sandbaggers. We want to see good, hard hits consistently. So we're going to show the drivers the big flag. Last in the ring, I believe, we've got the number 93, Scott Cloud from Amsdale, sponsored by Andrew.
Well, it's not a rod. You just put the jacks down through the rough and
So before we start the show, anyone that's up against the word fencing, in your hands and feet, please be pumping the barrier. Thank you.
Now, as much as I love my job and love talking to all of you fine people, I'm pretty sure you're going to get some very from me by the end of the day. So once we get our blocks in place, I'm going to need a little bit of a hand here. We're going to wait for the block to get in place. Once our flag officials are in place, we'll let Isaac get to his official position. We got Corey over there on the far side. Hi, Corey! Again, Redneck Truckers, if you want to see this show again and again, go on to YouTube and subscribe. Don't worry, my friend. We got our flag officials almost in place. Flag officials are in place. Give me a count from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go! On your Sunday here in Powassan.
They are. Jeez, thanks.
There's contact. If you like what you're seeing, let them hear it. Number 93 has been counted out. and the 85 are hung up together. 107 is trying to disconnect them. The number 77 is the last line, count it out. Was under the count. Big hit for the 107 on the back end of this seven. Number 777 big hit on the 85. Whoa! If you like what you're seeing, I don't hear it! Extra 661.
Good hit. Get him. I think he's taking a couple good tire shots. I think he's a Kia.
Red flag, drivers, red flag. Come to a stop, please. One of our flag officials has a safety concern they would like to check on. They also are checking on the 777X down the far end.
Remember that we got stuck up against the wall, buddy pumped the track shot at him while he was pinned.
Excuse me, boys. I need you guys to back up behind the fence.
We are currently doing some safety checks on some vehicles in the ring. The number 7 I am hearing his gas tank is precariously positioned in the wrong situation. We need the block removed so we can take the number 7 out. It has a gas leak from the tank being precariously positioned upside down. We here at Edge Motorsports take safety as a top precaution when it comes to you in the stands and those in the ring. For driver safety, we are going to have the driver removed and the car removed.
Too bad they didn't last too long. Yeah. Go tell him about your seatbelt. I think he's going to need that right now. Hopefully he didn't pull the accident. First hit, didn't even get a hit in. That's all my football did last year. Took one hit, and while he was sitting there dead, they fucking tire shot it and snapped the controller and 2 on the other side.
So instead of taking the best seat now, he's going to hop out, take a look at the damage, and he's going to be bringing that one back to Lettsville. Yeah, that's precariously parked in the wrong direction. I'm sorry.
It's too bad, dude. Did you think a little bit of a mid-size? GM. Anything metric GM is questionable.
Please clear your way in the gate so a full factor can make their way in.
Mine did last year too. Did really good. Just no front frame rails to them, but the suspension's good. This little whatever that little Hyundai accent. I think it's an accent. Kia Rio, I don't know. This goes at
get herself back underway. Now, by my count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 cars still running, yes? Let's go! 3, 2, 1, let's go! The car is just running. Just to begin, is precariously parked up against the wall. down the far edge. Oh, big hit for the 23 on the 50. We got the count on the 7-7-7 We're looking for those 23 and the 27 to make some contact. Look out, here we go.
Good shot.
777 was a black flag. Black flag calling on the 777X.
That's a
Five cars still moving. The 107 is under the count. We have 4 cars still moving. The 107 is under the count. We got the black flag calling on the 107.
A lot of smoke coming off that tranny. Gravedigger. He's losing it. Oh, here it comes.
Sorry guys, but that's top 4. That was a good hit though. You good? You good? Let's see some more of that in the feature. What do you guys say? Now let's see if you can actually get a part. Okay. Oh. Oh. Right into the garage.
Oh, man.
We got the number 23, the 27,
The
the
wheel's still going
50,
straight,
and
though.
the 85. Moving on to the feature. Let's hear for these Heat 1 drivers.
I'd like to say a special thanks to our traffic people here for doing our party. Also the fair volunteers who are helping out today. Really appreciate you guys.
So with us stopping at top 4, the drivers have a choice in the driver's meeting. Are we going to stop at top 4 or top 3 and then have a consolation? Drivers decided, no, we want top 4. Let's see who can get top 4.
Yeah, they
so,
do.